Hi, my name is Luis.
And I'm Mark.
And that's Robo who's recording.
And we are Group 8.
Okay, today we're going to be using this equipment right here, which is the horizontal distillation or ball-to-ball distillation. First, we're going to go ahead and name all the components that we have. We have a motor. We have our trap with liquid nitrogen, a rotary motor. We also have a rotary right here, which substitutes for
It substitutes for the boiling chips in the stirring rod, and so this kind of just rotates the whole setup as to agitate the air in excess.
So as you can see, we have a receiver in a container with ice, so it will provide cooling. Also, I have our coffee pot for heating source. As you can see inside the lid, we have our benzyl alcohol in our pot. Also, we have a thermometer to read our temperature, and also our heating source, which is a dial.
And also, right here we have our pressure meter, which is also called a manometer.
And also, of course, our vacuum valve right here. Actually, this one right here.
For the back.
So we're going to go ahead and start our distillation. First, I'm going to connect the motor. As you can see, you can hear weird sound coming up from the motor. That means because our vacuum valve is still open.
So it's not vacuuming right now.
So it's not vacuuming right now. So still, we're going to go ahead and close that. So we'll start making that noise. As you can see, it's a more smoother noise right now. We're going to go ahead and start our rotary roller. As you can see, our rotary is already turned around, so it's to make for our rolling chips. So you can see we're going to start the distillation. We're going to go ahead and turn on the heater source. We're going to go ahead and do that 30 because our boiling points are
around 230.
Our boiling points are around 203 and 205 degrees Celsius.
But here it should be lower because we're using a vacuum.
So we're going to go ahead and wait for our experiment so we can have our first spill.
Well, we've got all of our substance into the next bulb, so we're finished right now. We're just trying to distill the benzyl alcohol, and now that we're finished, we need to shut off the setup. But don't start at the vacuum. Do not start at the vacuum. What you want to do is start in reverse, and like the last thing we did was turn up the heat, so we're going to turn the heat off.
Next, we're going to go ahead and turn off our rotary agent. Then, we're going to go ahead and open our vacuum valve.
And then turn up.
And then we're going to go ahead and turn on our pump. And this concludes our distillation using horizontal or ball-to-ball distillation.
Thanks, we've been great.